Why is MapReduce programming such an important factor in distributed computing? Why this style of programming really works? Scaling up is really easy in MapReduce. Once you write map and reduce program, no matter how big the data is, it's very easy to scale up. What exactly scaling up means? Earlier we have a very small file with just 3 lines. Imagine a huge input file. Just imagine that it is, how much ever bigger it is. Huge input file. Now we know we can divide the data and store it on the cluster of machines. We saw the moment you move this file onto HDFS, it will be divided into smaller pieces of 128 MB each or 64 MB each and will be stored. Now we can use MapReduce. We can apply on each of these data sets simultaneously. If running a MapReduce program or word count on a huge dataset file takes a lot of time, but if you are running on smaller pieces, all these map and reduce, all these map programs first simultaneously, you can save a lot of time. So you divide the data, put them on cluster of machines, and then on each of the data you can apply the same map function. Can we apply the same map function? We have one map function. What does it do? It will take the input as the text and it will give the output as each word and 1. That's it. So apply the same map function parallelly or simultaneously on each of these pieces. So you are saving a lot of runtime when you are running on the first piece. If it is a usual program, the last piece of the data will be not working on anything. Whereas if you are writing in MapReduce style, if you are running map on first piece, simultaneously you can run map on second piece, simultaneously you can run map on all the smaller pieces. So you are saving a lot of runtime there. So once the output is there, so map output will be simply the particular word and the 1, whatever, this is not the usual frequency, this is just word followed by 1 key value pair, and then these are the shuffled pairs. Obviously number of ones will be more because the dataset size is larger. And then you can apply the same reduce function without any changes. You just take, what does the reduce function take as input? Word key value pair, word and number of ones, and finally reduce function gives the output as count, right? Sum of all these ones, how many times laptop appeared, how many times screen appeared. So same map function, same reduce function on a bigger data set, on a distributed data set you can apply. So we have distributed data, now this is distributed style of computing. So the same reduce function we can apply on the bigger data set, we can get the result. So that is what the beauty of MapReduce function. Scaling up is very easy. That's the main reason why Hadoop uses MapReduce style of coding. So we will see one of the example. Now we will actually take one data set, we will write map and reduce program, and we will submit it to Hadoop. First we have to take the data, we have to distribute it, and then on each of the pieces we have to run map, on each of the pieces we have to run reduce. Hadoop will help us to do this very easily. Then we will see the output. So that is about MapReduce basic introduction. Then we will see a lab now.